In this question, you have to identify the wrong statement. Option A, cell wall is present in members of fungi and plantae. Now this is true because members of both fungi and plantae have a cell wall. But in fungi it is made up of chitin, whereas in plants it is mainly composed of cellulose. Hence this is incorrect option. Option B, mushrooms belong to Basidiomycetes. It is also true and hence this is incorrect option. Option C, mitochondria are the powerhouse of all cell in all kingdoms except Monera. Now this is also true because Monera, for example bacteria, do not have any membrane bound organelles including mitochondria. Hence it is incorrect option. Option D, pseudopodia are locomotory and feeding structures in sporozoans. Now, in sporozoans, such as Plasmodium, pseudopodia is absent. Pseudopodia are rather found in organisms like amoeba, and they use them for movement and feeding. And sporozoans exhibit gliding or other specialized movements. Hence, this is wrong statement, and thus it is the correct option.